Welcome to another episode of TC's Anything Goes. Today we are finally in part 5 of the soundproofing series. Alright, so this has been probably long awaited by some of you. I did get a question asking what happened to the finale of the soundproofing series. By right, part 5 should be the finale, but due to unforeseen circumstances whereby my aircon actually gave way. So instead of doing the finale, we're adding one more episode. This time we're going to soundproof the dashboard. Let's get to it. Okay, so first up, we'll see whatever screw we can take out, we'll take out. And then we'll go from there, alright? Okay, it looks like we can actually soundproof this portion. Alright, there you have it guys. That's how I soundproof the dashboard of my Proton Inspira aka Lancer 08 Rebadge. Alright, so you are probably wondering how to remove the dashboard. So I will leave a link in the description below. It's another video about 40 over minutes. Check that out if you want to know how to remove your dashboard. And I'll be releasing another video a couple of days from now on how to assemble back the dashboard. Alright. Now, let's talk about this soundproofing part 5. I would say after driving the car for a couple of weeks after assembling it, I still think that soundproofing the dashboard is optional. Okay? while you see that I've actually soundproofed the dashboard using the white sponge, there is minimal to almost not noticeable difference in terms of sound level. Alright, but what I do notice is that there is lesser squeaks or almost no squeaks at all coming from the dashboard. There's no annoying sound, no annoying plastic rubbing against plastic sound on the dashboard, but that is most likely because I've tightened back all the screws in the dashboard itself, which probably got loose over the years of driving. I mean, the car is about almost 9 years, actually it's 9 years old. Alright, so that is the only benefit I see. Else it will be too tedious, too time consuming to actually remove the dashboard. Now, I did not soundproof the firewall, the portion behind the dashboard. Reason being is that if you remove the dashboard, you will understand that there's no place for you to soundproof. There is already a soundproofing mat over there which is probably glued on. I'm not able to remove it, and there's no other place for you to soundproof. Now let's talk a bit about the material use. Now you guys notice I use the white sponge, which is not as dense as well as it's a thin material, and there is a reason why I use this. Now if you use the black sponge or the silver sponge that you have seen on my channel, those are too thick and too dense, so we'll have problem assembling back the dashboard if that's the case, which is why I use the white sponge, which is less denser and thinner. So, alright, so that's all I have to talk about this DIY. Make sure you hit the subscribe button because every subscription counts, as well as we have more exciting videos coming out in the future. So hit the bell button so you get notified as well. And as usual, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you dislike it, you can always hit that, but leave us a comment below on how we can improve further. Alright, and if you think your friends, family, neighbors, enemies, pets, cats, dogs, camels, yes, camels, can benefit from this video, hit the share button as well. Alright, so till next time, see you.